Where is this camera now? Where did I even keep this camera? So you were here the whole time recording me. And you could not even say anything. Gosh, this is so exhausting, guys. Very exhausting. In today's video, we'll be talking about key zones in the market, part 2. I got a lot of message in my DM. Oh, here is it, guys. And I got a lot of DM that the market structure video was, very impactful and educative, but that I needed to, use another chart. They said they understood it on that chart and it looked simple for them. I used a NZD USD chart to do that analysis. They told me I should look for a very difficult chart and do the analysis. So guys, I had to think and think and think and think of a chart to use, a pay to use. I should use another pay. I had to think of a pay to use, and then I came up with this GBP JPY. I decided to go with GBP JPY because GBP JPY. It looks a little bit simple, but when you go in, it's a very difficult chart. But with the key levels, similar to market structure, you can actually trade GBP JPY very confidently. So guys, watch this video till the end because you're gonna learn a whole lot how to analyze a difficult pair and break it down very simple. We're gonna simplify GBP JPY to the very lowest. So guys, watch this video. And also, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I urge you to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell below so that anytime I post new videos, YouTube is gonna refer those videos to you and you're gonna watch. And don't fail to drop a comment below on the pay that you feel is so difficult that you cannot analyze, or sometimes you analyze and then you get fed up. So drop a comment below. I'm gonna check those comments. Share this video to your friends. Share this video because there are a lot of traders that are struggling out there and they need videos like this to motivate them. So share this video to your friends. And lastly, before we dive right into the video, check the description link below. You're gonna see my WhatsApp group link. So you join the trading family and become one of us. Let's dive right in. Welcome back to the channel. So this is GBP JPY. And normally I like starting my analysis from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. That is the only way you can mark out key zones properly in the market. So we'll start analyzing from the monthly time frame in order to know what price has been doing down till the till the 30 minutes time frame where we'll probably look for our entries. So right now, guys, this is the monthly time frame. And now what did we see price do? Price sold downward and then broke a structure, though we cannot see previously again. So price broke a structure below. So after retesting this change of character at this point, because this was the last low before price broke below, after retesting this change of character, the price came downward and then went back up again. So right now we can still say price is bullish. At this moment we can see the overall trend on the monthly time frame, so we can say price is still bullish. So where is our area of interest right now? This is our area of interest. I can delete this out because we are not interested. We already know that price has retested this change of character here already, and it is already there. Again, it has retested it again the second time. So now we can delete our horizontal line and then focus on the current position of price. Where is the current position of price? This is it, this current high and this current low. So this is where price is, and this is our area of interest right now, our focus. So now looking at this level, price has broken structure
externally and internally, but we won't be looking at this place for now. We won't be looking at this place. This is where we'll be looking at. Though price found support from this level here, price found support from this break of structure somewhere here, but we won't be looking at this place at the moment. So I'm deleting this out. Let's go right straight to where we'll be trading from. So now price retested this break of structure here internally. I'm gonna draw that zone. Price retested there. This is still the monthly time frame, mind you. And then price came up to this change of character here, this zone here. It came right up to this zone here and retested this zone, then rejected, back down, and then came back up again to this same zone, and then which it is rejecting again. So right now we can now zoom into the 1 minute to see what is happening. So now on the 1 minute time frame, look at what is happening on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, this was a change of character here. As you can see, this was a change of character, and price came back to retest that change of character, rejected, retested, and then rejected finally at this low, and then went back up again. Now getting to this high, this is where I'm still breaking this down. I'm done with here. This is the weekly time frame. Now I'm going, my area of focus is now on this level here, this current price move to the upside. This is how we simplify the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Start from the monthly, we draw out our zone where price has been bouncing off, and currently this is the level where we will be looking to take our trades or do analysis on. So to simplify this is a low, and also in this low there was a change of character internally, and this is that change of character. It was an internal change of character here.
Hey, wait. I know you want to continue the video, right? Just click on the subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. All right, guys, continue your video.
So there was an internal change of character here, which we might also say it was a break of structure internally here, and that's why you saw price reacted to this. So we can also still call it a break of structure here. So now price reacted to this level. So if we should zoom further to the daily time frame, you're gonna see that before we zoom further, there's something price did here, and I'm trying to highlight it. Price rejected at this level multiple times. This was a strong rejection level for price. Price rejected at that level, and then came back here and still rejected at the same level. Price has been struggling to break out of this level, of this zone. We'll take this as a strong level of resistance. This is a strong key zone. This change of character here is a strong key zone, and at this point we are seeing price is going bearish. After buying to this level, it's going bearish. So we zoom down to the daily time frame to see what price is doing. So here at the daily time frame, this is what price is doing. Since this was a break of structure, like I said, it was a break of structure, then price found support here at this level and then got to this place. Then this was a change of character here. For people that SMC, this is known as an internal change of character. Price change character at this point. So now after price change character, it came back down to retest a demand zone somewhere here. Came back down, and that demand zone was a support level here. So now what did price do again? After price rejected here, it created a change of character at this level here before price retested this high. Let me go to the 4 hours. I'm zooming down. So at this point, after price retested this demand zone, like I said, after price retested this demand zone, this is an internal break of structure. So price retested this high that led to this break of structure here. Price retested this high, this level, retested it and came back down, and then went back up and broke out from here, broke out from this level. This was a break of structure, and now this place that is a break of structure now is now a change of character, because why? This high has been violated by price, this level here. So we now have another break of structure here by price internally. We now have another break of structure here by price internally. I think I should delete this one so we don't get confused. Price broke structure / change character here because it rejected at this low, then came back, pick support here at this zone, pick support here at this zone, and bought back upward, rejecting at this high, coming back to pick support again at this low here, and then finally partially breaking out of this structure. Then after breaking out of this structure, let's see what happened. After price broke out of this place, after price broke out of this structure here, it came back to retest this change of character. Now see where a lot of people get confused. They think, where is the change of character? Where is price retesting and the rest? This is the change of character. This place here, this high here, this was the change of character. Now because price did this, came down, did this and the rest, you might look a little bit confused about price movement, and then you think price might retest somewhere else. But this is an internal change of character which price came back to retest here. So some people might say, why did I really choose this place as my change of character? Oh, sorry, let me grab something else. I don't want to draw with that. Let me grab. Okay. Why did I choose this place as my change of character? And then how about these places and this place? Now what you need to know is that this is the official recognized change of character, because if I draw a trend line now, you're gonna see that. Let me get my trend line tool. So if I draw a trend line now, you're gonna see that this trend line was broken. This was the last high after price came down to this level here, went back up and rejected at this point, came back down here. This is the last high. Forget about what happened here. This one is noise. Let me bring out this drawing tool again. This is internal noise. These things are noise, distraction. They're distracting you. This is the overall move. Comes back here and then it went breaking of that. So those are noise. That is why actually I drew it here as my break of structure, and my change of character. So even that happened here, this is the main official break of structure. All these ones you're seeing here is noise. Price retesting this the second time. These are noise. Honestly, these are noise. Then price finally broke this structure here. I count this because this was the main move. Price broke it at this point. When it broke it, it came back, retested at this level, then kept on going, and then came back down again to retest this change of character here, because that is our change of character. Let me write it down for educational purpose. Came back to retest. This is our change of character at this point, and then went back up again and broke a minor structure. Let me clean this. And broke a minor structure here. Now price is reacting. This is like a fake out in the higher time frame. If we should zoom into the daily time frame, you'll see this is a fake out. It didn't actually break this structure. To a lot of people, they feel, oh, price broke structure, I'm gonna take this trade, because you know why? They were actually at the 4 hours. So the only thing they saw was that price broke structure here. But look at what price did. After it gave us this break of structure in the 4 hours, it retested it and then, sold back down. So it was a fake out. Now, being a fake out, if I had seen this in the daily time frame, actually trust me, I would have sold this market down to this level. So now at this point, let's go back to the 4 hours. So at this point that price has given us a fake out here. Price has given us a fake out here, and then came down and failed to respect this low because this was a fake out. It failed to respect this low and then shoots down to this very level. So there are two things involved at this moment. Let's go back to the daily time frame. So there are two things involved because already this is a change of character. This was the move that broke structure. This is the move that broke this structure. It caused this change of character. So at this moment now, there are two things we are expecting price to do. You just have to expect price to do its thing. You cannot be 100% accurate. So we draw out this low here. Because this is the origin of this move. We are expecting price to down to this point and then go back to retest this zone. Sorry guys, let me get this out of the way so that you guys can see properly. So let me delete this and draw it again. We are expecting price as it came down here to either retest at this point where you see the opening of these candles, retest here, and then reject again at this low and probably buy upward. Or we expect price to either retest here and then proceed downward to this zone here. This is what we are expecting price to do. That's what we are actually expecting price to do. So price will do either of these two things, either respect this level here or break out of this level down to pick support here at this change of character here, because this is a change of character. In case you guys did not notice, this is a change of character. So we expect price to either pick support here or break down to this change of character. Everything would be determined by price. So that's what we are expecting price to do. That's just it about marking out key zones, even in a very difficult chart. Let me delete this and come back again to this particular level in the 4 hours. I had already identified it. Okay, let me go back to the daily time frame and identify it. Though we are done with this side, we're done with the left side. So we'll start here from the right hand side to identify these things. So first of all, what you do is draw out your zone, like I'm about to do mine here. Look at the last change of character when the price rejected here. Look at the last change of character that moved the market back upward. So we go down to the 4 hours so that we can spot it. Properly. So we've identified our low there. That's the origin of this move. This is the zone that moved price upward. And do you know why this zone moved price upward? I'll tell you why. Why? Because there was a whole lot of support here for this zone. These were support level. So price came and found support at this zone here. Found support and breaking out of this reconstruction. Forget what happened here. These ones are not worth your focus. This is the main thing. Price moved from here to this high, came down, went, it tested this zone and then rejected here, then came back up, breaking out and then picking support from here. It went, breaking out again, picking support from here, then giving us this move. Before this move, breaking out again, then retesting this change of character here, giving us a fake out here, and coming back down, clearing liquidities here. Then we are expecting price to either reject at this zone and go back to this change of character, then reject here and proceed upward, or comes down to this zone here, to this change of character here, or better still, price can even reject at this low here. You never can tell. The market is funny these days. still reject at this low, because this low is a strong low. So price can still reject at this low, or comes down to this change of character here. But I feel if price should reject at this low, this is what it will actually do. When it comes here, comes back, support here, and then proceed finally to this low, and then boom, back up. So that's what I'm actually expecting price to do. No, you cannot be 100% on these things. You just have to mark out your levels and let price do its thing. So if I should go to the daily time frame now, I can expect price to come down to this level here, before striking back up. That is what I would expect price to do at this point in the daily time frame. Reasons why: this is a fake out. This is not actually a break of structure. Price faked out, coming back to this low here, that made move, coming back to this low, and then rejecting at this point, and then coming to pick support here. That's what we are expecting. So we expect price to come and clear, because these are liquidities. These are all liquidities. We expect price to clear this liquidity and come down to this other block here. This is another block, and also a change of character. Come back to this zone before finally price moving back up. So that is it about this video. I don't want this video to get longer than this. So guys, in case you don't understand, please rewatch this video over and over again. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed to this channel, because I'll be breaking down complex structures to a minimal one, so that you can understand how to do a multi-time frame analysis, how to analyze the market like a pro. And also, please share this video to your friends so that they can also watch and learn from you. Those friends that don't have money to pay for mentorship, please don't keep this video to yourself alone. Share it to others so that they can also learn as you are also learning and benefit from this video. And also check the description below. You're going to see our WhatsApp group link. Click to join the WhatsApp group in order to learn more. Don't forget to drop your comments below on the page that seems so difficult for you to analyze or break down like this. Alright guys, my name still remains Emimiya. See you next time. Bye.